my God.
Shit. Look at this shit. I'm just plowing through this shit. I'm just plowing through this shit. Everyone else is stuck like Chuck, walking. I'm straight up plowing through this shit. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm that dude. Fuck that. Let's go around this shit. See, this is why you have a SUV and a big SUV. I'm going right through this shit. Going right through this shit. Everyone over here, they can't. I'm cool. I got this. All I gotta do is get past that bridge and I'm good. Woo, it's getting deep out here. Look at this shit. People out here struggling.